issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, western Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waunakee to near Belleville to near Winslow, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Janesville, Beloit, Sun Prairie, Watertown, Fort Atkinson, Waunakee, Monroe, Jefferson, Windsor, Lake Mills, and Milton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC60 in Milwaukee. Until 9 p.m.